In this video, I'm going to be making a catching game that is with a cat and a mouse. Keep watching till the end to see how to make this, and this is only one of those steps where you can make an awesome game by yourself and perhaps even make a game and teach it to others if you like. Welcome to DABMC. If you are new to this channel, I post regular videos on Minecraft, Scratch programming, and gaming videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. Let's get started. So first of all, you want to have to log in to Scratch with everything there and just ready to start coding. First of all, you need to want to go to choose a sprite. After that, while you wait for it to load, you go to the search bar and you type in cat, but it's already here, so okay. Then we're going to be deleting this sprite 1 and delete it. Next, we're going to rename this to just cat because we don't want it to be cat 2. It's not a cat 2, it's just cat. And let's put this right here. Next, we're going to want to insert a mouse. Let's click this mouse. There we go. And it's not going to be mouse, it's just going to be mouse. There we go. So now that we have our two objects inserted, let's script the mouse first of all. First of all, we need to use our skills that we learned in the last episode, which basically was making all of this stuff. Well, not really making, but you learned all about these blocks. I explained everything to you. And let's get started. So we want to head to events and we want to take a when flag clicked. Then we want to take a forever loop and then we want to insert if then. Then we want to go to sensing. We want to go to if key space press, this one. Then we're going to say if up arrow pressed. We're going to want to go all the way up and we're going to say change X, no, not X, change Y by 10. And we actually want to create costumes, so that means when it's clicked, wait, what? What's the difference? I see difference. We want to delete this one, and then we're going to create a new one. So we're going to duplicate this one, but instead of leaving the way it is, we're going to select it, change its direction to be, no, that's not the way to do it. You want to change it to be 180. Actually, you're supposed to leave the way it is, okay? All you need to do is create the left one. So now, once you've done that, we just want to set this back to 90. There you go. So now when up arrow is pressed, change Y by 10 and set direction to 180, I think. 8C, that's 81. 179 basically. So we want to change its direction. We want to go to point in direction. There we go. We want it to point in direction 180. So now if we click the up arrow, it will face 180. There we go. And now, after we've done that, we want to duplicate this if statement because I'm too lazy to actually just get all the blocks. Now we're going to change this to down and we're going to change this Y to -10. Okay. After you've done that, we don't want to change it to 180. We want it to be 0 because if you face 0, well, it's going to be 0. So like if I look, now it flips from direction to direction. We actually want it to set its move speed a little bit less. So we're going to set it to 7, I think. And -7, I think that's pretty good. Pretty decent. Yeah, that's pretty good, decent. Next, after that, we're going to duplicate these two. No, not that. Delete you. Sorry. Delete you too. We want to duplicate all of this. And we put it right here. I'm actually going to stop it. There we go. Now we're going to change this to be the right arrow. And this is not going to be Y, it's actually going to be X. Point in direction is going to be there, except this Y and X is going to be gone. So now we're going to go over here, change X by 10. Now it's going to be 10, it's going to be 7. Okay, let's go. Comment down below next what you want to see next on this channel, because I'm really hyped to do what you want me to do. I have been posting a lot of videos because of all this COVID-19 issues, but bear with me, this one's going to be great. So we want to point this direction to 190 degrees, apparently. 90. So now if I test it, if I click it, wrong, it's not 90, but my mistake, it's actually negative 90. So now if I click it, it goes right. Just bring this back, there we go. So now we want this one to be, so we just need to duplicate this block. There we go. Now we don't need this. Bye bye. We want this to be not down arrow but left arrow. So now we want this to be not negative 90 but 90, and we want it to be negative 7. So now if we test the game out, you can see that when you use all the keys, it flips sides. So that means it looks like it's actually moving in different ways. And so now that we've done the scripting for this one, basic scripting, this one's not too complicated, by the way. All we need to do is when flag is clicked, we want it to hide. Where's the hide? It's in looks, apparently. Wait, and then after that we want to wait around about 10 seconds, 10 seconds before it spawns. And then after that we want to go all the way to slot. Then we're going to go show. After we show, we want it to wait 1.2 seconds, 0.2 seconds, and then after that, just so it knows, we're going to go all the way. Okay, so now it's going to work. So now we just need to wait for this spawn. Mr. Cat, where are you coming to spawn? You're right there. Oh wait, it keeps going and going and going. So that means that it takes, so it's basically like a mouse trap. And the basic idea of this game is that if you touch the mouse, you die, because the mouse wants to eat you. It's basically just going back and forth, because I'm going back and forth. Anyway, so now the game mechanics actually work. Let's go back here. We want to switch to backdrop 1. Okay, that's done. We've done this. Now we want to add text. So we want to duplicate this. We are going to add, well, what? I don't want it to be blue. Black. Fully black. I want it to be fully black. This is basically just an alert. I think it's spawn. And this is basically just an alert for the cat to know that the cat has spawned and needs to run away somewhere. Wait, I want to edit. Let me edit. Erase this bit. Control Z. Okay, there we go. Then now we want to add an exclamation mark. Not one. Going to be black. Going to be exclamation mark. I want to move this though. Why can't I move this? Let me move you. Oh, I don't want to stretch. I want to move. There we go. Now we want to switch to vector. We want to let's just color this part in, because like why not color this in? There we go. Now we want to select this whole thing. Let me select. Oh my god, wait. Okay, there we go. So it's going to switch to backdrop 2. And after it's going to wait 2 seconds, I assume? Yes, 2 seconds. So we go back here, we're going to wait 2 seconds. 2.1 seconds. Actually, no. 0.9 seconds. And then after that, so now I want to set the mechanics. So now, let's just go, let's say, when flag clicked, we're going to put an if loop, but we also need a forever loop. Then we're going to say, if touching mouse, sensing we want to touch, we want to, if, well wait, no. We want to do this in the cat, sorry. We want to do this in the cat, there you go. Is it there? No, it's not. Just go! Okay, there you go. It's there, and it's not there. Whatever, let's just delete this. Delete. Let's do it all again here. So we go here, we're going to go, when green flag clicked, a forever loop for sure. If then, we definitely need that. And then we need to put, if touching mouse, then we want to broadcast another message, and that is game over. Wait, no. Game over. There we go. So game over. We're gonna wait 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds. We want to go here. Stop other scripts in Sprite. Other scripts in Sprite. And then we need to do two things. So we want to broadcast, stop other scripts in Sprite. Then we're going to say, when I receive game over, we want to stop other scripts in this sprite. Then we want to go to the stage. We're going to need to create a new one, and that we're going to just duplicate this one. Duplicate it. There we go. This one's going to be message 1, and this one's going to be message 2, and this is going to be game screen. There we go. Now you're going to go to message 2. Wait, what? I didn't duplicate this. Message 1. Or what? Ah, okay. Message 1, this is going to be games message. This is message 2. And then we're going to go to text. We're going to put this over here. We're going to say game over. Oh wait, it's in purple. Set it to black. There we go. Wait, I want to change. Oh my god. Select this. And we want to go text. Oh, okay. Whatever. So now we've done game over. Let's try this. All the scripts are in. Everything is fully working, I assume. Oh wait. We want to do something quickly. We want to say when green flag clicked. Just gonna duplicate this. Remember this, switch to game screen. There we go. Okay, now everything should be working. Let's just move around. Okay, wait 10 seconds. How's it already game over? It didn't even touch the cat. Wait, what? That is not. Oh, when I receive spawn, we don't message 1. Okay. Now I know. So hurry up. Let's spawn. And there it is. I got catched by the cat. And it should say. Oh wait, we didn't insert one script. when I receive game over, we want to switch to message 2. There we go. Now let's start. So all the scripts should be perfectly working. As you can see, I'm a little mouse just scrabbling around like that, and game over. It didn't actually get time because as soon as it starts, it just starts going. For some reason, it should wait before that. Okay. Anyways, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also, click the bell so you never miss a video. But before we end this video, wait, there's more. I want to show you guys this game in full screen. And as you can see, game over. It caught me. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.